Tickle Lipo, and the guys who love it. Nah, not a new summer blockbuster movie. Sounds like it though, right? It is a procedure that is proven to give your man great results. America's favorite dermatologist, Dr. Tess, is here with her man, Dr. James Lee, who's going to attest to some other procedures that have really helped give you confidence from the inside out. Thank you guys for both coming on today.
Thank you for having us. It's great. It's always great when I bring my husband around. And I know there's a joke that people want to see his abdomen, but he's a little modest. So it's not like our my patient that we brought in on Saturday.
Well, he's going to take his shirt off right now. Come on, do a little Mia Hamm. Come on.
It does give men that confidence. Saturday we were here for the weekend news, and I brought my patient Robert, who's not as modest, and he was so happy with his Tickle Lipo results that he actually, brought his shirt up and showed everyone how great it is. And I know we have Robert's before and after photos today. Unfortunately, we had some technical difficulties on Saturday, and we weren't able to. Here he is. Here he is. So this is his own photo of himself right before the procedure, grabbing that gut, and he was talking about how every father does this. You know, you have your beer belly gut, grabbing it.
Right. I mean, you set your beer can on it, right?
That's right. And this is his photo of himself. Less than 24 hours after, this was at our clinic. He was so impressed. He said, I have never had a six-pack in my whole entire life. I was a total innie, and you can see that in the before, and now he's an outie, and he put this all over his Facebook page. And so we have gotten so much calls and emails, everyone wanting to see Robert's before and after, and here it is, and it's going to be on our website as well.
I know Father's Day just passed. You said you had an amazing time. We want to give our viewers, an opportunity to get all these treatments, and you have had some treatments in the past that you say, men, you got to embrace it if you feel comfortable, because it really does give you that confidence.
Men, we tend to be results driven. Women tend to be goal driven. They have certain goals in their lives, and once they reach those goals, that's what keeps them going. We are results driven. We like to get to a certain level and then take it to that nth degree, like Tim Allen on Home Improvement. And any of these procedures, and the lipo procedure for me, liposuction, was really that big step toward, now I can see a good result, and it drives me to go forward, eat better, exercise, and keep going with that. Yeah.
Even though you won't take your shirt off, which I know you're upset about, ladies at home, believe me, we know. For 6 years from that time, you've kept it off, you've led a very good lifestyle. So did it feel like getting that procedure really gave you that motivation you needed?
100%. Before the procedure, I was, again, just bigger around here than my shoulders, so the proportions were way off. And no matter what I did,
I was never overweight, and so this is really wonderful for those patients who, for people who've been working out so much, no matter what, eating right, taking care of themselves, and then that's actually the reason they start giving up. I mean, they just give up, and then they just gain more weight, become unhealthier. This is really a nice way to address it, get a brand new start. And for men, it really is life-changing. I mean, Robert is just one of the many patients that we have. And the Tickle Lipo just makes it so much easier. 6 years ago, we didn't have the benefit of this amazing technology. Now, I mean, Robert did this awake. He didn't have to be under general anesthesia. He drove himself to the clinic less than 24 hours for his post-op. He's a big CEO guy, and he didn't have to take time off. He's a father of 3. So it's really simple, but it's so effective, and it's so life-changing. And this is just one of the things I know with my husband. We're keeping him looking great because we also do a lot of other things, photofacial.
We don't have time enough to talk about everything.
But, there's actually a study that shows that there's been 1.2 million cosmetic procedures performed on men in 2010.
And heck yeah, you're not ashamed to talk about it.
Exactly, because they have to get a nice edge socially and also in their professional lives, and this really gives them that extra boost of confidence, gives them an edge.
And speaking of an extra boost, you want people to be able to take advantage of this that may have been hit hard during the economy, so you've got a special.
That's right. We're offering $500 off for liposculpture. There's really no excuse. Get it done. It's worth it. You're going to make more money because you feel that much more confident. I promise.
100%.
And as far as sharing information with people, you don't have to say anything because they're not going to know. They're just going to see Wow, you look more confident.
And for me, it was more of a feeling good about myself. Once you feel good about yourself, that shows. What you wear, it's not necessarily how you look, but how you feel in your clothes and your suit or your whatever it is at your job. So it does change your whole outlook.
All right. Thank you so much. Good to have both of you guys on here today, and I'm sure your phone's going to be ringing off the hook.
Well, I hope so. It's really wonderful.
And next time you're on, you will be taking your shirt off. We took a vote. We already did. Hey, more information, go to san diego6.com and click on San Diego Living, and we're back right after this.